Unveiling the new Titan in town, the Defender OCTA, a masterpiece from Land Rover that redefines power and speed. This beast of an SUV, slated to be the crown jewel of Land Rover's fleet, is set to take the market by storm. With prices starting from a cool $291,542 for the base model and reaching up to $317,592 for the limited run Edition 1, the Defender OCTA is poised to make quite a statement. Nestled comfortably between the Defender 130 P500 and the Mercedes-AMG G63, the OCTA is a force to be reckoned with. Australians, brace yourselves as orders for this marvel are set to open soon. The Defender OCTA is set to make a grand entry, promising a thrilling journey ahead. Under the hood of the Defender OCTA lies a beast, a twin-turbo V8 engine that packs a punch. This heart of steel is sourced from the might of a BMW M5, a testament to the powerhouse it truly is. Equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that offers both high and low-range gears, it ensures a drive that's as smooth as it is thrilling. This engine doesn't just roar, it delivers a whopping 467 kilowatts of power and 750 Newton-meters of torque, making this the most potent Defender to date. But it doesn't stop at raw power. The OCT is also the fastest accelerating Defender ever, sprinting from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mere 4 seconds. That's right, it's not just about power, it's about speed too. With such immense power, the Defender OCTA is ready to conquer any terrain. The Defender OCTA is not just about power and speed, it's a spectacle of unique design and state-of-the-art features. This marvel of automotive design is based on the Defender 110, but with significant enhancements. The OCTA introduces the 6D dynamic suspension system, first debuted by the Range Rover Sport SV. This revolutionary system replaces traditional anti-roll bars with a hydraulic circuit, reducing pitch and roll under acceleration and braking. The OCTA's exterior is a bold statement of power and elegance. The SUV flaunts new grille designs, underbody protection, and exclusive paint colors, Petra Copper and Pharaoh Green. These additions, coupled with its wider stance and higher ground clearance, give the OCTA a commanding presence on and off the road. Inside, the OCTA treatment continues. The interior offers two material choices, burnt sienna leather and an ebony leather or fabric options, all designed to enhance comfort and luxury. The Defender OCTA is a striking blend of power and elegance, a design marvel that stands out. The Defender OCTA is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience, a thrill that begins the moment you step in. The interior, a testament to Land Rover's attention to detail, is a haven of luxury and sophistication. New front performance seats envelop you in comfort, while the immersive audio technology heightens your sensory experience on every ride. Material choices for the interior cater to your personal style. Opt for the opulence of burnt sienna leather or the understated elegance of ebony. For those seeking a unique touch, the OCTA Edition 1 presents a duotone khaki and ebony fabric that's nothing short of exclusive. And for the grand reveal, mark your calendars for the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Here, the Defender OCTA will make its public debut, ready to enchant car enthusiasts and redefine expectations. The Defender OCTA is a promise of an unparalleled driving experience, a journey like no other.